na story dey bring story. So now my people, this one na update from Monaguchi and Nanama McBrown. As Monaguchi don tell us, don expose Nanama, na I say make a kukuma look inside this matter. You understand? Because I no wan leave any stone untouched. I must dig deep inside this case. And according to Mona, McBrown dey aware of the matter wey dey ground, saying im husband dey cheat, im husband dey do this one. But she dey act like say she dey one perfect marriage like that. Na wetin Monaguchi talk. And now my people, another person don even involve inside this matter. As I tell you now before, Cutie Juice. This one a Nigerian blogger. Omo, I tell you now before, say this matter pregnancy get pregnancy. Now Cutie Juice don come outside, come refer to Monaguchi. He come tell her say, Biko, say the lady wey Monaguchi dey refer to, say Nanama husband dey cheat on, say no be the lady. So now when no Nanama husband, him name na Maxwell. So now Cutie Juice don come to say Maxwell impregnate person, say na female politician. Say no be the one wey Mona dey talk about. So now why I bring this matter, because e don dey escalate. And according to Cutie Juice, the pregnancy wey we dey talk about, they say the female politician don abort am. She don remove am because McBrown stand on her toe. McBrown fight until this thing, you understand, because she must save her marriage. Omo, so abeg for una wey still dey think say who be the woman, because they have terminated the pregnancy. Because many people now, some people even they tell me say wetin they call her, the father of Onyoyo pikin na Maxwell, because no be the father, you understand, na female politician. Wonders no go ever end for this life where we dey. Abeg, why you marry Mr. Maxwell? Why you marry if you know say you no ready to dey responsible? No be by force. You for just kukuma dey, make we know say okay, you dey single, you dey live life, you dey misbehave anyhow. When you don marry like this, you don't know say na heart attack you just dey cause. The man sef, anyhow, shall make I not talk. I be want to say the man sef not too fine like that. But make we leave am like that. You understand? No prolong her. I just dey tell una wetin I be dey think. I no talk anything. And funny enough now, this Yoyo wey we dey talk about, she dey marry o. She don marry. Now people don dey bring matter on top matter. See, some people just wan cause problem for people marriage, for people home. Now wetin una need understand? You understand? Because now imagine from matter wey happen, Monaguchi, a lawyer, this one, you don't enter person marital affair. Madam lawyer with running mouth. Now only you study law. Now why your mouth just dey run? Lawyer, as you be lawyer like this, you no even feel pronounce the 5 vowels. Abi how many vowels dey your name? You no fit pronounce am, but you say you study law for Namaste. Abi wetin dey call that university? Mr. Maxwell. Now only you want dey chop different. You see, your matter don plenty o. So make you see, try take am down. My people, they say no be the first time. They say if person even tell me say na aproko, na cheating. Say no be today. Na so I come shock. I say where I been the day all this time. Hey. They say no be the first time and no be today. Say this man too like woman. He feel they change them every day. Now so my mouth no even feel close. I say, hey, this beautiful woman now, McBrown, she just dey go through different things. You get beautiful wife, my brother. Why you no fit just dey say okay, we'll make her just dey? You know, I never even understand this kind of thing. I know say male celebs they get issue, but una no go see their issue every day. They say they leak secret, this one leak secret. But women, every day, women they bring secrets. Every day. Women wahala too plenty, don't pass school bus. As for Mona, madam, you know say now you start this matter, so I go end down with you again. Abeg, go off social media. Re-strategize, because it be like say this strategy where you won't use, it no work. You think say as you bring Nana Mama's marriage inside, people go forget say you lie, say you be lawyer. See, see this my mouth where they use talk. You are not a lawyer, and I will not forget. We will not forget, because now you don't use that one take cover up the matter where they talk about you say you be lawyer. We not go forget. Leave social media, go and look for another strategy where you go use come inside again, because this one I know they buy am. You no fit just see selfish reason everywhere. Una no dey see am. Una no dey see am. Dey see where even dey come out dey talk about person marriage, check im life. Check whether I don marry, check how im marriage dey go. Check, no, just check im life. People wey dey point finger, they no know say the other fingers dey reach them. Inside life. Abi my people, make una drop the comment for that comment section, very very important. And if you never subscribe, una go dey miss everything wey we drop. Share this video so that Nanama, Arnold, Chatamichi, even though that one not today involved, but she dey involved. You understand? So that all of them, Amona Gucci herself, Madam Lawyer, they go hear my voice, they go know say I don arrive. Very very important. So stay tuned for our next story. My people, matter don reach me now from one woman. Omo, this one I beg, I no wan talk anything about Yoruba people first before una crucify me. But the lady na Yoruba person, so now she don come outside. Matter reach me say this woman even she don prepare everything down, say she dey kill herself. Just like that oh. That's why when they ask, say wetin happen, they say because man no dey come to marry her. No husband, so she don't frustrate, she don't, in fact, many wahala, you understand? And right now, her family, her friends, everybody, everybody don't gather, they insult and they laugh and they come and say she be useless person. In fact, many things. So I beg for now, we don't know what they shelling now, because we say they're about to lose in life. Join me, make we listen to the woman.
Àwọn ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ti marry, gbogbo wọn ti marry, èmi nìkan náà ní òkú tí wá ní fún fẹ́ lọ gbé nǹkan jẹ. Ìgbà táwọn èèyàn wá ní ti máa rò bẹ́ẹ̀ pé tí bá lọ gbé anything jẹ pé ó máa ya Ọlọ́run máa ṣe ìyanu nínú ayé mi. Ó dẹ̀ fẹ́ kú òbí báyìí pé ti lọ wá ibò mi. Pé ti lọ wá iṣẹ́ níbò mi. Ọlá ni mo ń lọ ní ìsìn, máa lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní ọ̀bẹ ni ẹni ń sìn yìí. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni mo ṣe sọ fáwọn pé wọ́n ti bá mi rí ẹni ọkùnrin ṣá léèyàn lè mú lọ sí ilé.
Bọ̀ nísì báyìí sìn ẹ̀yìn wá ní sọ pé ẹni ọkùnrin ẹ má sunkún. Nísì báyìí sìn ọkùnrin tẹ́ máa nídìí tó máa tọ́jú yín, tó máa jẹ́ ọkọ gidi, ọkọ alálùbáríkà.
My people, I know say many of una go laugh, many of una go cry, many of una go insult am, many of una go judge am. In fact, I know say everybody get your own opinion o. You understand? But I wan make una understand something first. Everybody they go through something for this life. No, seriously, this one no be joking matter. Everybody they go through something for this life. You understand? So me, from her own angle, I dey understand them. And many angles they concerning this matter. So we feel look at different angles. But me understand where she they come from. The problem for this woman now, no be say husband in quotes per se, you understand, although na part of the problem, but the thing wey even dey pressure her to the extent wey she even wan kill herself, my people, na because of the way people wey dey around her dey treat am. You understand? No, just imagine say you dey go through something, maybe you no get money, you never chop, then person come meet you now, still dey tell you nonsense, say how you no go chop at this your age, you no fit work, you know, those kind of pressure. So the thing don't enter the woman. See, you know dey easy o. Chineke. But now the thing now be say, no matter wetin person dey go through, I don't know how una dey see this suicide mission thing. I never think am for my life o. Say I wan sit down, I don carry rope, or wetin una dey use again, drink sniper, do this one. I never think am before say I go do am. No matter wetin I dey go through. Of course, I no dey talk say, I no dey try hype myself. I no dey perfect. But wetin I dey try talk be say, see, nothing should lead you to a point where you even wan take your own life. Mbanu. No matter what. Except say you die natural death. That one dey different. But say you won't use your own hand, can't cause your death. I beg. My dear, you see, nothing is worth it. Very important. No try am. This one way you no succeed. I beg you. I dey use this time now to beg you. No, see, next time I look for person where you go talk to. Now why I dey tell una every time? You see, it is very important too. Not be your secret I dey talk about, but if you notice say something dey worry you, look for person where you trust. Deliver the matter. It go shock you. Solution fit just come. Area where you no even imagine say solution go come from, it go come. You understand? Very important. And now people they die because of money. Imagine this one come dey die because of man. Una still say this life no even balance. Hey, wahala wey both straight. Money, man. Abeg, who you go choose? Because we are all working for money. So at least, I know they support say me you die for money, but at least if at all anything we even take you out of, you understand? Make it be saying na something wey dey very worth it. Man, dey plenty, my sister. But now my question be say, because now I don dey think this thing 2 times now. Hope say this woman no be part of the people wey dey young. You understand? If man come approach her, baby, I love you. I have a boyfriend. You know, say some gays dey like that. Hey, even when they know they date, just so that they go drive men away. I have a boyfriend. Now see am, she don end like that. I know they don't say make una date everybody wey come una way, but see, sometimes you need give love chance. Maybe na wetin don cause this one wey e come reach this age. The woman don old o, no be youngie like that. I no understand though. Seriously, sometimes if I sit down dey think some kind thing, how be say person go love another person to a point where she even wan kill herself for the person? I no fit take my life for man. Wetin happen? Make I come die for you. The one wey Jesus do, no do. Make I come kill myself. No, I be waiting. Make una sit down think well. And as for una parents, stop dey put pressure on your children. Go and marry. Wetin? If na like that easy, everybody for don marry. Some people get their own plans. And see, no be everybody come this world say they go marry. And they no write am anywhere say na sin. They no write am anywhere say you go fire if you no marry. Marriage no be achievement o. Marriage no be achievement, because some of una don't even carry am on top una head like say na everything wey una come this world come do. Better things are there. Of course, marriage is good, but better things are there. So make una know. See, I bring these things so that una no go just dey confuse una self. You understand? It is very important, my sister. You no need husband right now. The way they see you, you need money. You need to look for a job. Make yourself useful. You go see how men go dey rush you. Because nowadays men no want all those liability wey any small thing. No. They don't need that. They define woman way, of course, respectful, but make the woman get sense to do something for herself. Very, very important. You understand? So, and now I bring this matter now. Because now for Nigeria, it don't become sin. If woman don't reach age to marry and she no marry, it don't become sin. Now they nonsense questions go dey come. When you go marry now, you know go your husband house. Some of them will even they ask you, when we go chop your wedding rice now? Rice na rice, oga, go chop rice if you want chop rice. Simple. So no allow, ladies, don't allow anybody to pressure you. No allow am. Anybody will bring this matter, put am for your seat. Very, very important. And as for you, as you succeed now when you no die, I hope so you no go make this nonsense mistake again for your life. You understand? Very, very important. If you can take care of yourself, men will always come. Men no dey finish. Okay, although this period where we dey now, oh my people, I don't dey fear small, because all of them don't they turn to gay. So now why I also they look the woman side, you understand? Because maybe she don't they fear self say, this one where all of them don't they go that side. Say who will come marry me? My sister, no worry, we still have good ones. In fact, reliable and eligible men, they still dey there and they go find you. You understand? Just work and make your money. Very, very important. My people, I hope say this thing now where I talk, it not be only this woman, I go don't save many people. You understand? Now I need share this video, because person feel still that side now, they plan to kill herself. Oh, very, very important. And make sure you na subscribe and drop that comment. Any matter where you think say I talk or I no talk, drop and I go reply on one by one. Stay tuned for our next story.